Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog where today I am going to explore Shanti Stupa, Vishwa Shanti Stupa Rajgir, which is situated at the mountain which is behind this mountain. Might be visible little, so let's go there and I will show you how beautiful this place is. We continue. The bike of mine is ready to leave. Let's get there. I finally have parked my bike here, and there is not such a risk where my bike will surround by monkeys, and the Shanti Stupa is situated over these cloudy mountains. We'll use ropeway to get in there. So we continue with this vlog, heading towards. What's about a coconut street? Here we come in guys, and what we see, stalls around in midway. Guys, it started raining quite fast, and here we got to know that the ticket counter is closed for lunch break, which is 12:45 to 2 p.m. I don't know why they are having 1 hour and 15 minute lunch break, so we have to wait in this waiting hall, or maybe guys our ticket will be proceed after 2 p.m. Till then I will show you the ropeway here. This is the ropeway I am gonna ride today because this is very adventurous and risky, so I want to do some adventure. And another one is cabin ropeway. The price of both are same, but I want adventure. Let me show you the cabin ropeway. We missed the vlog. Time to get the tickets guys. We have been waiting for more than half hour. There was not a people around, but see, at the time it is surrounded by people to get the tickets. After and I bought another nariyal. After getting the ticket, we'll show you the scenery. Got the ticket guys. We were not that lucky to go via single seater. That was very interesting. We are going through a cabin ropeway which is fully packed. I am not that happy in this cabin ropeway as it is not that interesting. The crowd is gonna be, we have to wait in a queue. Here is the cabin ropeway guys, and I had to board that single seater ropeway. That was very interesting, but unfortunately that is closed, so we have to go through this cabin which is quite safe, but I want an adventure, so I'm not that happy. Here comes our cabin ropeway guys. We are gonna board this. It is prohibited to shoot videos, but I am from Bihar and we are Bihari. Let's board this. I finally have boarded and we are going down. This is a great experience. But that single seater ropeway was quite adventurous. The glasses are so dizzy, we can't see clearly. There is nothing visible, we just wasted our money. We hope we'll see something from up. So cloudy, so we are not able to see anything. We finally reached over guys, and we are surrounded by clouds. You may see these are the real clouds, but we can't touch it. We can just see. Let me show you from the Shanti Stupa. We also have to climb quite more. So be with us. This is gonna be a great experience. These are the real clouds we are witnessing today. It's like Kohra we see in winter. Such a beautiful place. We finally have reached the Shanti Stupa, guys. This is the gate of Shanti Stupa, which is surrounded by clouds. See, these are the clouds. Very beautiful place. Everything is very cloudy. You may see nothing is visible clearly as we are surrounded by clouds. It's like winter. When winter comes, there comes fog. These clouds are like fog. Maybe they are fog. Shanti Stupa is behind me, but it is not visible. See, you may see from here. Guys, the monkey here is more dangerous than the monkey we saw on Son Mandar. This is the Vishwa Shanti Stupa, guys. You may see built by Japanese architectures. I'll show you such a cloudy moment. If there was a if it was clear, I would probably shown you. People are pasting coin here. This is the symbol of peace, guys. So I would recommend you, if you ever come to Bihar in monsoon, do visit this place. And here comes two monkeys. Guys, it's 2:40, time to head back, and I lost my Niga as well as signal. I can't contact him. I just have to wait here for my Niga. Hope he will back in time. Guys, I missed this pagoda. See, here it is a pagoda where monks worship Buddha. You might clicking photographs are not allowed, so I will show you from the outside. See, there is a pagoda where Gautam Buddha is situated, and I will visit inside without filming, or I can film by keeping phone in my pocket, but I won't do that. This is the beauty, guys, you may never have witnessed. See the beauty around. Guys, we have witnessed the beauty. Heading back towards home. The vlog ends here. See the beauty, guys. घोंसला बना दिल के रहा और पे
इधर देखो छोलू, इधर देख।
This was the beauty we witnessed today.